Good morning, children. Now, today we will be starting with a new subject, that is marketing. This is your sixth subject and this is an optional subject. The code number for marketing is children 812. Today I will be just discussing with you the syllabus for marketing and the paper pattern for marketing, how the question paper will be appearing in the exams and what is the syllabus. Children, the whole syllabus of marketing is divided into two parts, that is employability skills and subject skills. Employability skills and subject skills. In all, there are total 10 units, 5 units in employability skills and 5 units in subject skills. Employability skills generally consist of certain skills which are necessary for a person to understand when he goes in a professional field. Like, there are 5 total units, and in the same manner there are 5 units in subject skills also, and the chapter, the content related to subject skills is the total content which is related to your subject. Means, in the subject skill portion you will read, you will understand, you will learn 5 chapters, 5 units which are totally related with marketing. And in employment, the 5 units which are related to your professional life, which are related to your general life. So, which 5 units you will be learning in employability skills is number 1 is communication skills. Communication skills. Number 2 is basic ICT skills. Number 3 is self-management skills. Number 4 is entrepreneurial skills. And number 5 is green skills. In your exams, children, this whole employability skills is total of 10 marks. That means total 10 marks is awarded to your employability skills. But before this bifurcation, let us first discuss the theory and the practical part. That is, in marketing beta, there is a practical for 40 marks and there is a theory paper for 60 marks. Means you will be having theory for 60 and practical for 40. This we will be discussing what you will be having in your practical exams and how the paper pattern will be for theory paper. Now, this whole 5 units like communication skills, basic ICT skills, self-management skills, entrepreneurial skills and green skills. This whole 5 units comprises of 10 marks total. Not 10 marks each, it comprises of only 10 marks. That means whole employability skills portion is of 10 marks and remaining subject skills consist of 50 marks. So what is there in subject skills? Again, there are 5 units in your subject skills. Number 1 is Introduction to Marketing. Introduction to Marketing. Number 2 is Marketing Environment, or we can call it as Business Environment. Number 3 is Targeting, Positioning and Segmentation. Targeting, Positioning and Segmentation. Segmentation. Number 4 is Marketing Mix. And number 5 is Consumer Behavior. Consumer Behavior. The 5 units of subject skills are total comprising 50 marks. That means 10 marks for each unit has been allotted by the board for these 5 specific units. So in all, the theory paper consists of 60 marks, that is 50 marks for subject skills and 10 marks for employability skills. Now children, let me discuss the paper pattern with you all, and after that we will be just having a short introduction regarding all these units, in what we will be studying in all these units. So the total is of 100 marks. That means 60 for theory and 40 for practical. In each quarterly exam, each semester exam, you will be having a practical for 40 marks and a theory for 60 marks. That means 100, 100 and 100 3 times. That is quarterlies, half-yearlies and annuals. Now, in your practical exam, children, you will be having Viva. There is a practical work done like a field visit, practical work or practical activity, like any group discussion in your class, any activity given to you, anything. And one is project. These 3 things you have to do in your each semester exam. That is, you have to give Viva, you have to do a practical work and you have to prepare a project file. And all these 3 marks will be awarded, total will be of 40 marks. Now, for theory subject, for your theory, the paper will be divided into 2 sections. Section A, which will be comprising of the employability skills, and section B, which will be totally related with the subject skills. So, in part A, that is employability skills, there will be in all, you have to attempt, there will be 1 marks question and 2 marks question. What will be there? There will be 1 marks question and 2 marks question will be there. You have to attempt 4 questions out of the given 6 questions. There will be 6 questions given to you of 1 marks, and out of that 6 questions you have to attempt any 4 questions. Then for 2 marks question you have to attempt 3 questions out of the given 5 questions. That means out of 11 questions, children, you have to attempt any 7 questions out of those 11 questions. So part A is total of 4 and 6, that is 4 ones are 4 and 3 twos are 6, total it is of 10 marks. As I have told you before also कि employability skills से आपका कितना आता है, 10 marks का पेपर आता है. Now let us come to part B. In part B, children, there will be 4 sections. 4 sections mean multiple choice, that is very short answer type 1, short answer type 2 and long answer type questions. So there will be 1 marks questions and there will be total 12 questions, out of which you have to attempt any 10 questions. There will be total 12 questions, out of which you have to attempt any 10 questions. Then there will be 2 marks questions, total 7 questions will be there, out of which you have to attempt any 5 questions. Then there will be 3 marks questions, total 7 questions will be there, out of which you have to attempt any 5 questions. And then there will be 5 marks questions, total 5 questions will be there, out of which you have to attempt any 3 questions. तो total is यहाँ पर हो गया 10, it is 10 again, it is 15 and it is 25, 15 again, 15, 15, 30, 40 and 50. Part B is of 50 marks, as I have told you before. So this is the paper pattern, that is part A and part B. There are approximately 42 questions, out of which you have to attempt 33 questions. Then children, now let me introduce you with the subject, that is what basically marketing is and what we'll be just discussing, what just we'll be learning in this particular subject and what we'll be learning in employability skills. So let us discuss these things.